just pulled into the Shell and we're admiring a nice Porsche, which is right behind me there. But I have just spotted this. It's a freaking Ford GT. Hey guys, it's Joel and welcome back to Los Angeles and welcome back to the Mustang. Today we are driving a little bit more. Yesterday we did a lot of sightseeing, but today we're going to be in the car. Should probably put it into D, shouldn't I? And we might be able to do a bit of a D. There we go. So we're going to be in the car a little bit more today, and it's going to be fun. And yeah, so far, this Mustang has been really fun. I think we're planning on driving it over to Malibu, but we are now just on our way to get some breakfast. I can't do that, can I? Yeah, you can. We're on our way to get some breakfast, and yeah, and then we're gonna head over to Malibu. But, so far, first impressions of this car, it's fast. It is fast. Scarily fast, in fact. However, the power isn't too hard to put down. The car sounds really good as well, but we both think it could be louder. And yeah, we're saying that we're probably going to bring it back to our rental company with straight pipes. No, I'm only kidding. But yeah, it is good. Could be louder. The main thing that's a little bit is the gearbox. It's not fantastic. It has got a sequential mode, flappy paddles, which is fun, but there's a lot of jolting and stuff on the gear shift, so it's not the best, but we haven't really had a chance to really thrash it yet, so I'll let you know about that again when we've had more of a time to thrash it. But anyway, we're on our way now to get some breakfast, and once we're there, I'll catch up with you. Well, that was very successful indeed. We had a very nice breakfast. Are you satisfied, Charlie?
Yes, it was adequate.
It was adequate for Charlie. Even got some leftovers, thanks to the American-sized portions. Anyway, jumping back into the Mustang now, and then Charlie's going to drive us over to Malibu. Let's go. So guys, we've just cruised up the Pacific Highway, beautiful, beautiful drive, and we're now in Malibu. We've just stopped at a Shell because we've got a slightly flat tyre. Anyway, what I want to show you is, just pulled into the Shell, and we're admiring a nice Porsche, which is right behind me there. But I have just spotted this. It's a freaking Ford GT. I cannot believe my eyes. This thing is absolutely stunning. I mean, yeah, don't really need to say anything about that in particular. It's just incredible. It's got carbon fiber wheels. It's just absolutely amazing. Wow. Anyway, let me shut up, put this camera down, and I'm gonna get some proper shots of it. Right, well that is genuinely freaking crazy. I've had to take my jumper off because I got all excited, and I think I saw one of these at Geneva, but madness. I'm already liking Malibu actually. As I was filming this a second ago, a Hurricane Performante went past and it had like no rear bumper, just exhausts. Yeah, bloody mental. Anyway, Charlie's pulled the Mustang back round, so we'll jump back in and we're going to carry on our adventure. But do you know what? I don't think, I don't want to jinx it, but I don't think we're going to top that today. So, I've taken the wheel for a little bit. I still can't believe that Ford GT. What are the bloody chance of that? Since then, if you're following me on Instagram, you'll have seen that the GT2 RS just went past, and then a McLaren 675 LT. Malibu is ridiculous. Anyway, we're just going to keep cruising up this Pacific Highway for a bit. Just taking the sights, really. And don't think we've really got a plan. Guess we'll stop somewhere for lunch. But yeah, right now, we're just... enjoying the Mustang because it is good fun, and yeah. So, slight change of, I guess, scenery. I've just taken a right off the Pacific Highway and found myself a bit of a canyon road. And we're putting the Mustang through a bit of its paces. This road is actually getting a lot narrower and bumpier, but I've just been thrashing this thing and I'm having a great time. But yeah, literally as we've just started filming this, the road has turned into a bit more of a dirt track than a road. So I don't think I'll really be able to thrash it right now. But yeah, this is incredible. I wasn't expecting to be doing this today. And I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the views over there to my left are incredible. But yeah, just saying to Charlie, this is great. It's not as wafty and boat-feely around the corners as you would expect, but the suspension is still a bit soft and you can't really feel the corners so much. We've had the tail getting a little bit happy on some of them in first gear accelerations, and yeah, this is a bloody laugh, to be honest. But I'm going to focus on not driving off a cliff now, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Right then, so we finished for now blasting up the canyon road. And my goodness, that was really good fun. It was so hot up there, and now we're back down by the coast where there's a nice cool breeze. We've come and parked in Neptune's, that famous bikers cafe meat place. I've been told is in the Fast and Furious movies. I've never actually really watched those, so sorry if you're a fan. But yeah, we've parked up and we've seen some bikers popping wheelies. So we thought we'd just come and have a little look, see if we can film any chaos that does ensue. Anyway, yeah, let's head over to where all the action was happening and I'll show you what I see. Back in the car now, and I thought, I literally didn't think we'd see anything to top that Ford GT today. Then that GT2 RS cropped up, and now this, there's only 37 of these in the world. Look at it. A freaking roof CTR. I don't know if that's the CTR GT3 or what, but bloody hell. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen I took a photo of that, but jeez Louise. Isn't that the maddest thing you ever did see? Yep. Alright guys then, so I was obviously, the last time I spoke to you was when we were in the car and we went past that rough CTR, which was nuts. And I know I keep saying this, but didn't think it would get any better than that. And then we drove past, I couldn't get the camera out, and we tried to get in there, drove past a freaking P1 just sitting in the car park at the beach, which is so random. Anyway, I said to Charlie, now that we seem to be having a really lucky day of car spotting, coming across these mental cars, I said let's go to Rodeo Drive, park up and have a little look around. So that's where we are, that's what we've done. And even just driving into here, there was a Murcielago, a Lichen, what was it? Lichen something, nuts. There's lots of stuff going around, so if we see anything else while I'm walking around, I'll try and capture it for you. And yeah, this is nuts. Look at this, guys, a 911 GT3 Touring, or at least I think that's what it is. Absolutely stunning. Cars in general here just look awesome because they have no front plates. Yeah, GT3 Touring. Super nice. So, nothing absolutely mental on Rodeo just now, but yeah, that was still worth, it was cool going down. There was a few Ferraris and blah-de-blah-de-blah-de-blah. Anyway, that is probably it for today, guys. So it's hard to summarise this day. It's been what started off as like a cruise over to Malibu and then a canyon blast. That was unexpected, that was such fun. Then it turned into like some crazy hypercar spotting day. We saw a full GT, a Lichen, rough CTR. I saw a P1, which sadly I didn't capture. But yeah, what an incredible day. It's been rammed. I'm very tired now. But tomorrow we head over to Arizona. So we're going to be driving, I think, 300 or 400 miles tomorrow to Phoenix to meet my family. But I'm thinking on the way we're probably gonna go off the beaten track a little bit and find some cool roads. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching today. I really hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a little bit more car related. We're getting there. But yeah, until tomorrow, guys, I will see you very, very soon.